So this figure shows here two-stroke engine. You can see that here is a cylinder, piston. This is a deflector of the piston, this connecting rod, this is a crank, and then there centrally will be crankshaft. So here, let's assume that the compression stroke has completed. So this is compressed charge. The yellow color indicates compressed charge. When spark occurs here, the high pressure will be generated. Because of high pressure, piston will be moving it down. While moving down, the exhaust port will get open here. So exhaust port gets open here. Because the exhaust port gets open, all the exhaust gases will go out. While other side, air plus fuel will be entering from this side and it will occupy into this particular place. So this incoming charge also helps for removing the exhaust gases from the engine. Okay, now piston has reached to BDC. After reaching to BDC, again it will start moving upward side direction towards TDC. So while it is moving in upward side direction, first it will cover a transfer port, then it will cover exhaust port, and then the compression will start. So this is a compression charge, compressed charge. So upper side of the piston is compression, a down side of the piston is what? The suction. So you can see that the charge is entering from bottom. When upper side is compression, charge is entering from down side. After compression, once again spark will occur. After occurrence of spark, exhaust gases will go out and fresh charge will enter from this side. This side. Then once again it will go for a compression. So this cycle go on repeating. This cycle will go on repeating, and here it is shown spark plug because this is a petrol engine. This is what? A petrol engine, right?